First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get started with some drums. I'm fucking with that kick. Let's see, get us a, just build a little kit. I always like to add a gosh darn hi-hat in at first, just so, even though I'm gonna change the hi-hat later, I always just like to have something in there that's like keeping the tempo and keeping the beat when I'm cooking up and make it a little bit easier. You know what I'm saying? Then get a nice sounding hi-hat snare. I mean, we'll probably change this one too. Like, all of these are kind of placeholders. That sounds good. One thing about me is I don't really try and overthink, so I try not to do no overthinking. Like, I just want to. Got them messed up at the end. We'll change it. You know what I'm saying? Something smooth, not too much, you know what I'm saying? Hey, we're using FL Studio, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna open up some stuff. We'll probably start with, I've been liking this one called Flex a lot lately. It's been pretty chill. It's been pretty good to me. Yeah, I'm gonna have to turn it down. These sounds be too loud. Let's have something simple. Just keep it simple. We're gonna keep it simple. Just those three notes. We're gonna keep it simple. I ain't hold that one as long as I should have. I ain't hold it long enough, but we got it. The first one, copy paste. And we're not gonna add too many instruments to this either, because we want to leave space and leave somewhere for it to go. You know what I mean? We don't want it to be messed up like in that type way. We're gonna open up Flex one more time. I'm pretty sure I can find another sound that goes good with this. Y'all remember that? There you go. Yeah. Here we go right there. This, We just building a beat real quick. I'll go back in and, This is all swag and vibes right now. I'm just woke up, so you know. One more sound, y'all. One more sound, that's it. One more. One more sound. We ain't even putting too much. Then we about to kick them drums up. That's it right there. Record that. Like I said, we ain't about to be doing that. I missed it. Yeah. That's a good one. Good take, Jake. Good take, Jake. Good take. That was 2 takes, shotted, but you know, we still want to take. We still want to take Jake. Shout out to 1 take Jake. I was like, what the? It's not the same thing. All right. Crank this kick up too. Quavo on this. Quavo!